A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you and your families all are safe in these difficult times. So our today's topic for the group discussion is internet curbing creativity or not? Basically what the word curbing means. It means controlling something or limiting something which is not wanted or which is unwanted. So is internet controlling creativity?
Okay. Now, I would say that internet has opened a whole new market or possibility of getting new stuff or getting any information from the net in just one click, and it has surely created more opportunity as well. But I would say that internet is for information or just a main repository of information and not the way of thinking, or it can't teach you how you think or how to be more creative or creativity in general. Internet is just for information and its abundance in that.
The way I see it, internet has provided a good platform for creative people to show their art, whatever it is. For example, in the last 5 years, we have seen a radical increase in the amount of, let's say, stand-up comedians. Nowadays, we are not limited to watching the only one stand-up comedian that is popular on the TV every night. We can uh, watch so many others, and they provide a variety of content to us.
So as Ashutosh is telling, like creativity is basically internet is helping to spread the creativity of a person that he already has. And in my eyes, like as a student, people do think that whenever deadlines approach or something, we use internet for completing our stuffs. And so basically, I would like to say on that, if a person like us want to research on some topic, then it's very difficult for us to go to libraries and search among n numbers of book and n numbers of authors. So it is very easy for us to go to internet for such use of information.
Even if
And
that, is it not every time that whenever a student or a person is given a topic, they just have a greater tendency to Google it down for having a previous view and just making somewhat similar to whatever pops up first on the internet search?
Exactly what is happening right now. We just copy paste the stuff which is available in the
yeah,
internet, and we don't think about it, or we just don't apply our own knowledge there. So it's not
as
creativity;
Exactly.
it's just
as
copy
just
pasting.
said,
Internet is losing capabilities and the talent to create on our own. We just depend on internet for our whatever work we are doing, which makes us more lazier, and
as
it
just
gives
said
no motivation for creativity.
as
we
just said every kind of information is available for us in just a few clicks, right? But is it actually beneficial for the development of humankind? Think in this way: consider a person who is used to Google surfing and using internet every day for solving his problem. Now if this person encounters a different kind of real life problem, would he able to solve that problem? would he be uh, would he be creative enough to solve it very efficiently? He will struggle doing it definitely, right?
I would counter here that
Yes, I
internet.
would like to add on to Mr. Harshit's point. As with yes, I would like to add on to Harshit's point. With such lots of information accessibility comes another problem, which is we the all the human beings rely on internet for each and everything, and hardly they think on their own brains to solve problems.
uh, but also something that the point we all are missing is internet also provides us with an opportunity to create to connect with other creative people in our field. So for example, a budding dancer can look up to someone who is already popular, who is already a really good dancer, and he can learn from him. He can uh, look up to him, his struggle, his journey, and maybe learn a lot from him.
Well, I
Okay,
would
so
say
as
that's
this point has come up, I would like to say there are many women or maybe some people who do not you who may not have thought to expand their business in such a way, but internet has brought to them to this much level. There are many examples like we can say Baba Ka Dhaba in recent cases. It's because of internet that he is this popular now. So we cannot
So,
forget
But
that.
like seeing to this point that people are learning from internet and then adapting, but there is a other class of people like students who are now given the projects into the college and they just tend to Google it and see some of the projects and directly copy paste from there and neither using their own thoughts and ideas to make something new. And that's what it is curbing their ideas. It is bounding them from making something new.
I would come back to Harshit's
Exactly.
point
If
here.
we are using internet for our study purpose, then what is the use of degree we are getting through institutes and colleges paying so much huge amount to them? So why not we basically use internet to study and we can create our own things and learn? So I think definitely internet is curbing creativity.
Yeah, internet is just a platform to connect creative people. As Ashutosh said, it is just connecting the creative people. It's not teaching or it's not giving them creativity as such in their own. They have it and they just give a platform to share it. And coming back to Harshit's point, that internet, we can't rely on the internet because internet has plausible lies all around the information there. So we can't blindly trust the information which is given in the internet. It doesn't have any source or reliability of that of any point. It's just written by some random people giving some random information and it has no reliable source behind that.
Okay, so I would like to
also,
put on a question. Like, don't you guys think that internet is influencing to a large extent? As you guys are telling, like students do tend to copy, but those resources are actually by us only. Like person like us has given that resources. So we at times will get inspired, and we will also contribute when we get to that level, that level of knowledge. So we will also tend to contribute like that.
also one thing I would like to add is the internet provides us with a good platform. One can become very popular on that platform. Uh, Also, if you are very popular, it's a very good, reliable source of income for someone. This also helps in a way for someone to show their creativity. For example, if someone is a video content creator, if he earns a lot of money through internet, he can improve the quality of his videos, his production, etc. So
As
in a
such,
way,
I would
internet
like
is
to answer
providing.
Khushbu's question that she asked that these resources which are available on internet is somewhere by some people like us only. So it is on the people who are using that resources. So if I want that, I should create my own work and without using internet. So
I
Mic mute हो गया.
I think her mic is
My
working.
yeah.
So, guys, as there is only 2 minutes left, I would like you all to move to the consensus. So, we'll
Okay.
start discussing the consensus now.
I would
Okay,
like
so
to
I
give
would
the
like.
I think
consensus.
it is helping students to go to a greater level, or it is just pulling them back from making something new.
I would say that brain is like a spade. That if you exercise the brain, the more sharper it gets. And using internet as such is just making us more lazier and more less productive as such. So I would say that internet is curbing the creativity.
Okay, I would like to say that creativity is a key skill for prosperity in any walk of life. If you are creative, you can definitely excel. And one more thing which I would like to add on is it's upon us, like Pallavi said, it is very much upon us that how we make use of things.
So, we can
So
come to
I
the
would like to
consensus
conclude
that
by taking all the points
there.
in consideration said by Mr. Vinith, Mr. Jash, and Ms. Khushbu, that the problem lies with us. The internet, the internet to be our solution for every problem. Internet can give us only the information, not the solution to all the problems. It is us people who have to find the our creation, use our brains, and find intuitions to come up with new creations, new creative ideas and innovations. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.